Are you ready for a smartphone that's both powerful and sleek? Samsung is about to launch the Galaxy S25, its thinnest device since the Note 20 Ultra. With a body thickness of just 8.4mm, this phone is set to impress. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to take inspiration from the Galaxy Note 7, with a more rounded shape that's sure to turn heads. However, Samsung has seemingly moved on from the curved screen design, opting for a more streamlined look instead. For those who may not remember, the Galaxy Note 7 was a game-changer in its time, with enhanced S Pen support and top-notch cameras. However, it was recalled in 2016 due to a design flaw that caused overheating and explosions. Fortunately, Samsung has learned from its mistakes and is pushing forward with a new design that prioritizes safety and performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 50-megapixel camera output, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. Additionally, rumors are swirling about the chipset, with some sources pointing to Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and others to MediaTek. Samsung's latest flagship is generating buzz with its sleek, curved design and impressive camera upgrades. But will it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and explore the Galaxy S25 Ultra's exciting features. First, the design. Samsung's shift to a more curved look is intriguing, but comparisons to the Note 7 raise concerns. We'll have to wait until next year's official launch to see if it's a winning formula. Now onto the cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to boast a quad-camera setup with a whopping 200-megapixel primary sensor, 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and 50-megapixel ultrawide lens. That's a significant upgrade from its predecessors. The ultrawide camera will utilize a newer sensor, offering 4 times the resolution of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Plus, all cameras except the ultrawide lens will feature optical image stabilization, OIS, for crystal-clear shots. But that's not all. The telephoto camera will support 3x optical zoom, and the front-facing camera will remain at 12 megapixels. These upgrades suggest Samsung's dedication to delivering top-notch photography and videography experiences. So, what do you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design and camera specs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For our new viewers, consider subscribing for the latest Samsung and Android updates. We'll keep you posted on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch and more. Your channel name, your go-to source for all things Samsung and Android. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and other Samsung smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for the latest news, rumors, and reviews. Peace out!